Mga tropa, magandang hapon. Ipagpaliban muna natin yung part 2 ng fishing natin. Gawin muna natin tong prize giving ni Jojo Jillian. Yan si Jojo, yung nakasalamin. Ang prize giving ay nangyayari lamang isang beses sa taon. Awarding naman kung tawagin sa atin. At syempre, bawat event sa school, hindi nawawala yung traditional na haka nila.
Alright, Hanamay Kinte 2024 prize giving.
At susundan naman ng national anthem. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang prayer. At hindi mawawala ang speech ng principal. Pakinggan natin yung sasabihin niya kasi ng time na pinapaliwanag niya rito ay wala pa tayo. Kasalukuyan nangangarap pa lang tayo papunta rito.
Anyway, this year we went right through the year and we've got a lot to be grateful for. So once again, yeah, that one. You said it. Yeah, Miki Tato Tato Kaihana. We're grateful. We're really grateful. We've got a lot to celebrate because we got to go right through the year and a whole lot of good things happened. Thank you, Mr. J. Yeah. We had all of our teachers.
At traditional singing. Heto na, start na ang prize giving, awarding nila. Kinakabahan kami kasi ngayong taon na to wala kaming clue. Unlike last year, nakuha niya yung top award sa buong batch nila. Ngayon wala kaming idea kung ano. Kasi parang binago nila yung setup.
And for excellence in digital art, Kayi Mo. We're about to find out third, second and first in year 5. Our academic awards for maths, reading and writing and all those other subjects. Alright, so I'm going to hand over the goodies. So, ready? In third place, are you ready? Mr. Adnan Safi. In second place, Nia Gonzalez. Wait. Also in second place, Alamay Kuka. And in first place, Julian Kumbo. Well done, all of you. Right, show your teeth to your front, right? Smile, or just pick it up. And a good cheer. Yay!
Oh, mga tropa, sinayang ko na naman ng oras nyo. Abangan natin yung part 2 neto. Congratulations dun sa nag number 2. Kaibigan natin yon, matalik na kaibigan, isa sa mga tumulong sa atin dito mula na nag-umpisa hanggang ngayon. Napakalaking tulong sa amin yung Gonzales family. Shout out Gonzales family at saka Erwin Lim, Naidal Forte, lahat ng mga sumuporta sa amin. Si Maring Kati at saka si Bong. Maraming salamat. Fish. Bye. Abangan natin yung part 2 mga tropa.